Hey guys, sorry about my face looking, my eyes are kind of just like cut out. But anyway, I am reviewing the Microsoft Surface Pro Premium keyboard. I cannot say it. So, a Loctra signature type cover. I don't know. But I have a Surface Pro 4 here. And yes, so we're just going to review it and see how nice and soft it is. And yeah, so we're going to get started here. Actually, I'm going to move the camera closer. Sorry for the really weird viewing angle, but yeah, so I've never opened up one of these keyboards before, but I gotta be very careful. Oh, it looks pretty easy. It's because of the warranty. So, looks like you just okay, there's some tape on it. Oh, I'm gonna need some scissors. Got scissors, and yeah, so we're just gonna have to cut this tape right here. I don't know how we're gonna, yeah, I guess we gotta go this way, so we'll just have to turn it around. This is really hard to cut through. Oh my god. Okay, so we got one side open. And I'm just gonna peel the tape off. Actually, never mind. I'm just gonna cut this off. Or, you know what? Never mind. I'm not even gonna do that because I can just take the keyboard right out. So, as we open this, so we have the little flip. It's like a little flip thing here. We have this little manual over here. It's actually taped. Well, never mind. It's just being held by these. Caring for your signature type cover. And we have this, which looks like a little start guide or something. Maybe a warranty manual. I don't know. And it has some instructions of how to put that on, but I'm actually going to show you that in today's video. So we're going to close this up. And I'm going to turn on my Surface Pro, so go ahead, and I'm just going to do that. Now I have it turned on, and I'm just going to have a keyboard like this. The magnet is very strong, guys, so yeah, careful, especially trying to get it connected here. And then boom, and now this should light up. Yep, this is lighting up. Yep, there is actually lights in here. I thought there wasn't. Good. I was like, what? No! Anyway, you can actually change the amount of lighting here. So, I mean, yeah. You don't even have to hold in the FN key. You can actually just press it, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's working. There's nothing on the display to tell you, what level it's at. But anyway, it works. And now, this is very soft, this part right here. This right here. And, so, yeah, touchpad works, whatever, boom, boom, boom. Now, the biggest thing about this is the premium cover is that it's so nice to type on. This is so soft. I can't even, listen to that sound. ASMR. And it is so soft to type on, and this is just overall, this is an amazing keyboard, and the buttons are very nice to push. It's almost like a mechanical keyboard, just without the sounds, they go down that far. So yeah, guys, that concludes this quick review of the premium Microsoft type cover, and if you pick this, and it obviously has the cover feature, then you can take it off. And then it covers the screen too. So whenever you put this up and cover the screen and then you put it back down, you can turn it on, and then boom. Holy crap, that's a weird thingy there. So yeah, guys. And like I said already, that concludes this video, and I'm gonna actually edit on this keyboard and mouse, well, trackpad, and yes, so peace.